Alright guys, this is Robert. If you haven't been to this channel, please check it out. And if you like this channel, please subscribe. If you've been here before, welcome back guys. I always truly appreciate you. It's actually early Labor Day, and I got a couple buddies that are going to help me because it's something I've been trying to work on, but can't do it by myself. I'm not that strong. So I'm going to be putting on these things right here. So what that is a worn winch. I need to get that installed because just in case you're out there, especially by yourself, or you need to help somebody, that's a good recovery tool. So I'm gonna hopefully install it in HardShellTaco in that heavy 135 pound bumper, and this winch is about 80 pounds too, so it's got some heft, and that's the reason why I need some help. Jesse and Jonah, they're too small so far to really help me, so I gotta get some adult muscle for this guy. And I got some cool Factor55 stuff I want to install. That's a fair lead, and that's their flat link E, so pretty legit stuff. Heard a lot of good things about Factor55, so I'm looking forward to putting it on. So check it out guys, we'll be back. Alright, so what I gotta do is I have to disconnect my camera that I got there already, and then I have to quick disconnect the Baja Designs S8 as well, and that's the only things that are connected actually to the bumper electrically. And what else I gotta do? I gotta just start unbolting and the S8 fog lights, or SAE squadron fog lights. So those are the things I gotta unplug, but it's super easy, super plug and play. So I'll show you real quick. I just got them right there. These we got a lot of helicopters and stuff around here. Oh, actually, it's unplugged here. What is that one? There we go. So that's unplugged. That's actually the harness to the fog light adapter. But that's how easy it is. I love plug and play. Where are you? Wire right there. That's done. Right there's my S8 plug. Right there. Done. Engine's messy too. The winch, I was just gonna bolt on right here and right here, so that way I don't have to mess with adding extra wires here. So it'll be perfect to stick it right there and right there. I don't think I need to put the winch on 24/7, but I'll think about it. But at least I could just loosen the ground here. Always bring tools. These are manly tools. These, I'm gonna try to finally use it. Motorvex stuff. Look at that, 32 mil. That's pretty bad. 10. I like that. Anyways, I'm gonna be using that to unbolt the few things I got there on the side. This brace right here, it helps with reinforcement for winching and everything, because there's going to be so much pulling force here that if you're just using the mounts of the bumper here, you're gonna probably bend everything. So this bracket was added as additional reinforcement, so the pulling force wouldn't tweak out everything, using the winch pulling that way, or maybe literally pulling somebody out. So actually that was pretty smart of my brain's slow right now. A Relentless Fab. You know, I'm just gonna, that's the right side. Take that out. We'll put this back on after we get the heavy bumper on. Alright, so I just gotta get these two bolts, which I loosen one in there, and that's all it does, is what holds this bumper. It's not hard. Oh, I almost forgot. And this guy in the bottom here, holds it too. So I'll be getting that, and that's it. And then waiting for some muscle. Got the heavy muscle now. This guy here, Mr. Kevin Shred and Tread, sticker expert. Did you guys know how strong this guy is? He's Hercules! Hercules! We're just moving this box. That's how weak I am, dude.
Yeah, it's heavy.
It's heavy, right? Look at that. So we're not gonna use that harness because we're gonna use the relocation harness, right?
Oh, you have your own?
Yeah. Didn't you get that too?
What's that?
Didn't you get that too?
No, I didn't.
The relocation harness? Oh, it fit? Oh, you had enough room in there.
Yeah.
See this bumper right here? It's tight. Like it doesn't fit. When I asked Relentless, they told me you gotta relocate the wires, so that's why.
Oh, really?
Yeah. It's just easy. That's what that is. It just is like another plate location. You don't have that?
No.
Oh, I'm surprised.
Because mine fit really. Mine fit
Yeah.
T.
But it's wired. See,
Yeah,
mine's wireless. Or that's wireless. That's why.
That's nice.
Yeah? Yeah, I was happy to
Yeah, because I
get
always
it.
have to plug mine in when I use it.
Yeah. That's the rope. Ooh, that's red, huh? Synthetic.
Yeah, well, the red is towards the end.
Oh, okay. To tell you that you're getting near the end, right?
Close to
Like
it.
you're running out of rope.
Like a warning.
Yeah, worn too. Synthetic. Don't forget, it could cause cancer. Everything could cause cancer. So that's a chrome one.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna do Factor 55. Look at that difference. Actually, that one's thicker, huh?
Yeah.
But
I think it's heavier, huh?
I don't know. This is the 1-inch one. They have a 1.5. So we're relocating the pack because we can't clear this top here. So Mr. Kevin here, Sticker King, he's gonna handle that. So here what we have to do is we have to move the power pack because it was directly on top, and unfortunately because it's on top, there's no way we clear the grill. So now I'm relocating it. I found a kit that was actually called the long version, but in hindsight I didn't need that much cables. You can see how long it is. And also this module here that I'm mounting, if I had gotten the shorter one, I could have just replaced the power pack, moved it somewhere else as one whole unit, and easier to mount and just displace somewhere else. But unfortunately I didn't, so I ended up using it this way. Nothing wrong with this. I'm just saying it took us a lot more time trying to figure out and moving things. You know CPR?
I do. I'm certified.
Okay, because I'm like holding it.
I think I got a CPR.
Okay, we're not ready yet.
Truck too.
Guys, we're gonna just
I'm
gonna test out this.
Two
now.
things in electricity.
Guys, okay, go ahead
No,
and
don't
move.
move the glove.
Ooh.
And the gloves. Jesse.
Ready?
Do we have to put engage? It's already engaged.
No, you're good.
Hey!
It's working.
It works. Awesome.
All right, let's mount it.
Okay, let's mount. Working. Wait, there's bottom
Mount
holes
up.
that.
It's right between me and Kevin. Yep. Right there.
Okay, so we're here. We're gonna mount.
And then you pull it back the other way, right?
Yeah, no, that thing won't go through at all. So go ahead and pull it.
Jesse, you recording it? Point.
Ready? Yeah.
Wow. Look at that.
Right, I'm recording.
That's it, right?
Yeah, it won't go anywhere.
Wow.
It's recording now. I'm recording
Okay,
this
now
now.
we can mount it, and then we can start stooling.
I can see why you do this now.
Yeah.
Because
because
it's such a pain.
yeah,
You have to
angle.
go back the
there's
other
no way
way.
to get it through there.
Got up there?
Up, you gotta tilt yours up. Tilt yours up, yep. You two gotta go up. Higher, up.
Is it touching anything?
Just the cables.
Cable?
What do you think?
Wait, hold on.
Hold on.
Go down.
Drop
The cable. The cable.
Which one?
This
It's
cable.
right here. Okay.
So we can bring this down.
Yeah, maybe we can.
We can feed it up, right? There's. Turn it a different way.
Down.
Down. Just sit it
Okay,
down.
no, it's okay. I got it. How do we get this?
Okay.
How do we get this handle? This handle's in the way.
That's in the way?
Yeah.
You gotta take the grill off now.
How did I
Wait,
get?
just put it down.
Okay. You guys gotta pick it up. I can't hold it here.
All right. Here we go. I'm gonna put the jack forward now.
Okay.
Try to get the jack.
You guys can see it. Up and yours, Kevin.
Try to get the jack forward now.
I'm going down.
Up.
Huh?
Go up.
Oh wait.
Okay, I got it.
It's good. It's good.
Is on Euro?
Yeah, I'm in.
You guys are on?
Yeah.
Okay.
Half
Hold
push.
it, Jesse. Keep the jack.
Get the jack down.
Where's
Yeah.
it pushing? Is
Put
it
it
all the way
underneath.
in?
Just put it underneath the jack.
Put it right here, Jesse. Hurry up. Check it up. Hurry up. Check it up. Pump, 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 pump.
I'm getting this up fast.
Pump, pump, pump.
I'm getting this up
Okay.
fast.
We want to hold.
Probably like an 8.
All right, ready, Rob? Yeah. Going back the other way?
Trying to hurry up and get this on. I still at the worn fairly, but I gotta say honestly, I like the Factor55 better. So I'm gonna grind the sucker down to make it fit. That's what I'm gonna do. Grind it down.
No, while you're doing this, I'm just aligning it now. Are you still recording?
Yeah. Oh, that's it.
Okay. This. Are you gonna get this out and fix it?
I'm gonna grind a little bit more.
Because.
Almost got it. Alright, so get this, hook that through.
Yeah, we have to hook this through. If you want to get this in, we need to use a remote for it, so.
Get this bar in it,
I have a remote.
so that way it's nice and secure here. So the best way to do it is to have a snap ring pliers like this. And then that way you can squeeze, oops. You can squeeze it in. Oh, I'm surprised that thing didn't fall out. Get it in the loop. And now, look up close. It's in there.
Later, so we need it. We inside when we get in, we have to use a remote.
And it won't come out. So Jesse, you get the remote.
Okay, I'm gonna show you the remote right here.
And then don't,
I'm gonna go ahead and push those 2 buttons.
yep, and don't crush my fingers.
Are you ready?
Okay.
Are you ready?
Which way should we do it? This way?
This way.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Go ahead. That's it. The other way. Oh, in. Slow, slow. Okay. A little bit faster. There we go.
I had to, yeah. I had to show you the remote and everything here. Okay,
Isn't that nice?
we're done with this remote here.
That's it. Awesome.
Yeah.
Oh, these guys? Couldn't do it by myself, man. Couldn't do it by myself. So I want to say thanks for watching, guys. Peace out. Boom.